Let's take a look at this WIDGIFY app. So this is a new widgets and wallpapers app which climbed super high into the top charts of this widget and photo and design apps. So this is the app, and yeah, quite cool one. So you can just get in here. WIDGIFY spices up your phone screen with an array of cutie widgets and thematic wallpapers. Tailored for iOS 17, it brings to the table cool new features like standby components and interactive widgets, injecting fun and personality into your phone. WIDGIFY offers a diverse mix of creative widgets and desktop themes, along with customizable editing options, allowing you to effortlessly craft a unique mobile desktop. Plus, get your very own virtual pet and enjoy the delight of pet ownership right on your phone. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can also use to create lock screen widgets. And then there are a lot of specific iOS 18 widgets and themes, home screen widgets, obviously, audio widgets, battery widgets, smart panels, scrolling albums. A variety of wallpaper templates are available, and you can freely upload pictures to create your own stylish wallpapers. Explore a wide range of trendy desktop themes, including new Chinese-style part-time work, time platinum themes, wallpapers, couple widgets, which are recently very popular. So everything in one app. And then, yeah, they offer you to get WIDGIFY Premium, but there is a quite nice free version. So here you have a lot of this really nice home screen widgets. So basically there are lock screen widgets, there are customization of dynamic island, pet island. You can also create active island, which basically you swipe apps from your lock screen. So it's quite cool. Then you can create a panel, which is basically your home screen widget, but it's advanced photo widgets. Then there are iOS 18 widgets. So these are some pretty cool features. Quick start. So quick start is also home screen widget, but you're just packing, like 10 of apps in very small icons just in one place. And you can really open these small apps from there. So, instead of having like, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 6 of maximum 24 apps on your home screen, you can have like 20 apps on the half of your screen. So yeah, that's quite nice. And then yeah, of course there are ads, to-do lists, calendars, creative widgets like toss a coin decision widget, wooden interactive salary, eating carousel. So a lot of these interesting widgets and their recommendations, but this is just wallpapers. And then obviously there are a couple widgets, interactive widgets like what is the distance between you, moment sharing, location sharing, doodle interaction, where you can just draw the doodle together. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Also you have nice tutorials. So just, to add a widget, open WIDGIFY, select the widget that you like, tap to edit design as desired and save at the bottom. Go to home screen, long press to jiggle, and then you can just, you can install it. So for example, I wanna add some widgets. So for example, I wanna add smile battery. So I can just tap on it, and then I just tap save, and it saves successfully. And then I just need to tap long press. So super easy. I just tap and hold, do like long press, and then I just search for WIDGIFY. It appears here, and then I will have all these widgets available in here. So then I just add it in here, and then again I need to edit this widget and select the widget from my saved widget. So this is what I just had in there. And then you can also select transparent background if you want. And then, for example, here I have just the view of my battery. So this is how much my battery is charged, like that. So super easy to install. As you can see, I didn't need to upgrade. So this was a free version of WIDGIFY app. So that's quite nice. And they're offering a lot of this. And then you can also install this transparent background settings, so it looks, all these widgets looks really nice and transparent. You can also do that. And then this is just the start, then you have all of the themes. So themes are basically a combination of wallpaper, widgets, and icons. You can just select that and then you can try it. You can see how the overview will look like. A lot of them are just basically paid themes, unfortunately, but you have a lot of different categories in here, which are really nice. Then you have wallpapers by itself. If you want to see some live wallpapers, some really nice wallpapers in here. Then, for example, here you have some nice, cute, all kind of categories you like. So, for example, if you like some minimalist wallpaper, you can just install it like that. So that's basically the idea. And then, yeah, so that's what it is. Then, of course, there is premium version, but yeah, this is just the price in Danish krona. But yeah, so it's around like $70 per year, I guess. So yeah, then language. There are some multiple languages tutorials. If you want to remove ads, again, you just need to upgrade. Then just basic settings. In my widget tab in top right, you basically have all widgets you saved, which I guess you can just trash and remove. There are small, medium, large, and then there are home widget, lock widgets, and then control widgets. So 3 types of widgets. So all in all, users like this app, and then you have again, so maybe you will eventually be offered some kind of discount on the price, because I noticed that sometimes if you do not upgrade right away, you just keep using the app, opening it up. Sometimes some apps can offer you up to 50% discount in a few days, like one-time offer, and then you can just upgrade. For example, if not paying $70, you can pay $39 or something like that per year. I don't know about WIDGIFY whether I have it, but yeah, right now it's one of the most advanced widget apps out there. So yeah, I think this one and Theme Pack. So Themify, Theme Pack, and WIDGIFY basically right now are top three apps which you can just try out for advancing with widgets, and they are quite cheap. I mean, they have a lot of free widgets which you can try to use. So yeah, that's my overview. So thank you for watching. Please like this video. Just, super easy for you just to put one like. It will help me a lot. If you also you can just subscribe, also will help me so much. And thanks again for watching.